Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. So here is the complete list of IIT open house dates. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel and share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. So if you want latest update, then you have to click the notification bell. So let's get started. Here is the complete list of IIT open house date. So here IIT Bhilai, June 3, 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Counseling dates and timings here. IIT BHU, June 11th, 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IIT Bombay, June 8, 11 a.m. onwards. IIT Delhi, June 6, 4 p.m. onwards. IIT Gandhinagar, June 6, 4 p.m. onwards. IIT Hyderabad, June 4, 10 a.m. onwards. Offline, June 5th, 10 a.m. onwards. Online. IIT ISM Dhanbad, June 3rd, 12:30 p.m. IIT Jodhpur, June 3rd, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. IIT Kanpur, June 10, 10 a.m. IIT Mandi, June 11, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. IIT Palakkad, June 10 at 10 a.m. IIT Patna, June 6, 2 p.m. IIT Roorkee, June 10, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. IIT Ropar, June 9, 2:30 p.m. IIT Tirupati, June 7, 10 a.m. IIT Goa, June 10, 5 p.m. IIT Madras, June 3. Then IIT Dharwad, June 4, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. IIT Jammu, June 9, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. IIT Guwahati, June 6, 10 a.m. IIT Kharagpur, June 10, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is the complete list of counseling schedule, dates and time. Stay tuned for more such updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.